Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset Facebook default setting. If you're looking to reset Facebook to this default setting, it is important to know that Facebook. To get started, firstly open the Facebook app, and from here you need to select this three-lined icon in the top left. Over here scroll a bit down until you find the settings and privacy and select that. And from here go to the settings again. And over here, from here, you can review different categories such as privacy, notifications, profile settings, security, and audience visibility. And if you have changed your privacy setting, you can simply go to this privacy checkup and proceed to it. Who can see what you share, how people can find you on Facebook, and your data setting on Facebook. And to reset your notification preferences, go back, scroll a bit down, and select to this notifications, and choose which alerts you want to receive from Facebook. You can simply select any of this alert, and you can simply toggle on all of this icon beside it. And that is it. That's how you can reset your Facebook setting. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.